Welcome back to How to Cook Great. How you doing? Look, we're going to boil a chicken today. Sounds super easy, and it is. We're going to pump a load of aromatics into that. You can now stick that on a barbecue if you want. Give it a little sear. Give it that kind of charcoal flavor. You can cool it down, break it off, use it for salads. You can eat it just like that. My boy loves it just like that. You know, chop it down, use it for a stir fry. It's really, really good. Let's get on with it. Okay, super easy. I've got water there, cold water. You can see the chicken's in there, just about covering it there. That's a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pounds. All we're gonna do is add some aromatics to it. So let's start off by adding salt. Cinnamon. Black peppercorns. Bay. Star anise. To that then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Now this is what I'm using. Of course you could be using anything else. You can get some garlic in there, some ginger in there, whatever. Heat's going to go on. We're going to get a lid on that, and it's going to be on just below medium for about 30-35 minutes. Job done. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. What we've got there is a chicken packed with absolutely beautiful flavors. Now think about green cardamom, garlic, ginger, lemon. You can get a whole lemon in there, cut it and squeeze it in there. List goes on and on. That is beautiful. What we're going to do, discard the water. Back in a moment. Job done, super easy. Like I say, play around with the herbs and spices in there. Now what can we do with that? Well, you can eat that just like that. It's beautiful. My boy, he loves it just like that. Let it cool down, break it off, use it for salads, use it for stir fry. If you want, you can just put that now on the barbecue. You know, just give it a kind of bit of a searing so you know that it's fully cooked and pumped of flavor. That's it. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.